Happy Father's Day to you. Happy Father's Day to you. Happy Father's Day, dear Daddy. Happy Father's Day to you.
So I can hang you from there. Like a little piñata.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
Look next to it.
I know.
Right there.
You saw that? Mama's the greatest, huh? Here she is.
Yay. Thanks, honey. Okay, that's your present from me. And I can use it too. Okay.
We'll put it together.
Fred! Fred and Maria picked it up at the sporting goods store and they had it at their house this whole time and they built it and they drove it over last night at 11:30, 12 o'clock at night and we put it in here.
No way.
Isn't that rad?
Yeah.
Yay!
Cool.
And I told them I'd videotape your reaction. What's your reaction?
Thanks, Fred, Maria.
Yay!
Y'all the greatest.
Okay.
Yay!
Bye, everybody.